Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I work on the NSX trailer. I get the wheels to fit perfectly by showing you guys how to do exquisite fender rolling techniques. Passive-aggressive fender rolling. Boost and Eddie works on the Rocket Bunny Miata, and Shiraz comes over with Booty Patrol. We get some Underglow installed on it, and he gets me demonetized. Also, I make custom axles for the NSX trailer. Stay tuned. So I'm here at Tractor Supply. It's actually not a bad place to buy hardware. They sell it by the weight. But I got these 1" by 3.5" bolts here, 1" nuts, a couple lock washers, and some 1" washers here. I don't know the outer circumference, but I'm picking these up because I'm hoping I could use them in replacement of an axle for the NSX trailer, because I need to keep the wheel bearing under pressure so that the wheels don't fly off when I'm driving. I don't know if this is the inner race and this is the outer race, and if I have to get a washer that's the size of the smaller one, and there's a little step here, or if I could just put a big washer right here. I have these right here, which are meant for a 3/4 inch, but they only go around the outer race. But I don't know if it'll even matter if the outer race moves just a little bit. Here's Eddie's Rocket Bunny. Today we're getting his headlights wired up, because they haven't been wired up. He's been driving with a light bar whenever he has to take it out at night, which he doesn't do very often. He should drive this thing more. I like the bikini top. So I have to make the inside diameter of these 7/8 washers big enough to fit the bolt through. That Ryobi drill was not up to the task. I just burned out the clutch on it. So this hardened grade 8 steel doesn't, the Ryobi doesn't like it. So I've been at this for like 20 minutes. I haven't got through one washer yet. So I'm just working on getting these to fit right, and the axle there that I'm making, and my garage is a mess, and I'm frustrated that this hardened grade 8 steel washer, which I probably should have just bought regular washers, is taking forever to drill with 2 drills and a brand new drill bit. But then I kind of take a breath and step back and realize this might mean winter's over. My garage is open, it's like 55 degrees out. I got friends over working on their cars in the driveway, my dog's playing in the backyard. So I'm starting to feel a little better about that. I can't wait till it's nicer weather, and I have even more friends out here working on their cars with me. So yeah, sometimes you gotta take a break and smell the roses when you get frustrated with a project like I am right now. I'm pretty sure I burned through like 2 drill bits already. And these things aren't cheap, they're like 20 bucks a piece. I keep oiling them, but I'll get there. I'm sitting here, I got the bit partially through. See that? But I don't think I made the hole any bigger. I think I just made the bit smaller. I ended up changing to a little drum sander, and that made quick work of it. Okay, that should work. A little too much thread sticking out for my liking, and I had to go with 5" ones, but the 4" ones weren't cutting it, and I didn't have a 4.5, which would have been perfect. Now it's fender rolly time. Violent fender rolling. Violent fender rolling. Aggressive fender rolling. This tab's giving me a little bit of an issue. All right, this one came out good. Not bacony at all, so it's not waving at me. Let's see if the new wheels will fit on there nicely and tuck nicely. Right after I do the other side first. All right, let's see how this works now. Get this thing to connect. Connecting. Will it connect? Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's instant, like within a second, so I don't know. Looks like it's one of those times it's gonna take a while. All right, let's see if my fender rolling and the slight adjustments to the suspension worked. So it's still rubbing on the other side. I heard the sound, but that's pretty freaking close there. That's good. I could make it. I don't know. There's not any room there really. The rubber's right up against it. So yeah, good stuff. All right, now I got to do the other side, and then I got to figure out this car. All right, so today was a successful day. I rolled the fenders on this side, got the suspension figured out for this side. The longest part was burning out drill bits and drills trying to make a custom washer that fit in there. But Eddie got his car mostly situated. He came here to do his headlights, and he got it done, and they look pretty dope. Good stuff, man. Don't you have engine bay lights too?
Somewhere.
Eddie's got a bunch of covers that cover the manifold here. The spark plugs there, the center, and another one there. They're all like polished aluminum. He tucked everything. He did the wide body Rocket Bunny kit. Made all these hard lines. Made this cool dipstick with a 10mm on it. And, there's also a cover for here and one for up there, and the cover for here has the switch for the engine bay lights, but he has it in pieces, so those aren't hooked up right now. Oh yeah, work in progress, yeah. No, this thing's dope, man. It's coming out really nice. Lots of knobbies. And the interior is nice. Galaxies. Shiraz is here in Booty Patrol. We just went to Taco Bell. And tonight, we're gonna put some underglow on this thing. Oh, that rear diffuser's new. That's nice. I like that. I can't pick it up on camera, but I'll show it inside. And our buddy Joe's here. He's coming to help.
I'm an NPC. Talk to me.
Well, so we're doing underglow on Booty Patrol?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Here's Joe.
Hi, Joe.
You gotta have it.
We brought you Taco Bell, Joe.
No, thank you.
All right.
There's blood flowing below.
Just come straight on. Is this big beast gonna go over the 9,000 pound limit on this car lift?
Oh, but I might. What's this thing, man?
I don't know. What does it weigh? Like 3,600 or something? 3,800? Yeah. Not that close.
Oh, man. 9,000? Not easily full people are.
I think YouTube's gonna demonetize me for your cup.
That's very delicious. Can't believe they don't make an ass juice cup. All right, gentlemen, we have Amazon special, about 80 bucks for this glow kit. I wish my car looked like that, but it doesn't. And so I already went through, opened it, tested them out. I'm gonna hardwire these instead of using a cigarette lighter.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Although make sure that it's not like a 5-volt transformer thing.
Of course not.
Because sometimes they are.
So yeah, here's the wires I twisted together.
All right.
Very simple.
Nice.
Bluetooth module.
Sweet.
And yeah, we'll get started. Got 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back, 1 on the front. And we'll get it started.
All right. Awesome. So it's already set to red and blue. It stays at the last setting you had it at. So that's nice.
Quick test run we're doing on this.
All right.
Just waiting for the Wi-Fi module to reconnect. So we go back in. We go enter. And We can hit different modes, different colors.
Ooh, Italian flag, Irish stuff. St. Patty's Day.
Or was it the Mexican flag?
It might have been Mexican flag.
Oh my god. Yeah, so I think I got some like preset over here. We could do solids. What do you want to change it to?
I think when I do, I'm going to do Underglow on the NSX and the NSX trailer.
Yeah.
And I'll just probably leave them white or red or yellow or something. I think white looks nice.
I think that's awesome because it's like it's pretty bright right now.
Put them back on red and blue.
You mean red, white, and blue.
It's very patriotic.
That's me, baby.
All right. Well, let's get him on the car.
What the?
I like the chasing lights. That's cool. I'm excited to see how they look on the car. We're bringing in Underglow back. It's no longer a racer.
You can never have too many strokes.
Nah. All right, so we got everything on. Ran the wires to the front, tucked up the wires into the wheel well, zip tied everything to out of the way because he's on bags. We don't want anything getting pinched. Down the sides, and we did the rears, and now we just gotta wire everything in. Came out good, man.
Fronts are way more active than the rears a little bit.
Yeah, but you could change the settings. All right, man. Good stuff.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, no problem, man. All right, we're gonna see some different settings here. That's like violet, purple, blue. Awesome.
Like the chasing?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a set on the NSX trailer and the NSX.
Oh, that's definitely dope.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna throw off the lights in the garage. Red and blues give me anxiety, man. It too. It's like just.
As long as you don't have a dump truck, you're safe. I like that one a lot.
Oh, it almost does like puddle lights, huh? Like moving puddle lights. Go back to that again.
Wow. Okay. Like a
There you go. So what, do you just slow it down to do that?
Yeah. So
That's actually pretty sick. I like that. Does it have to be all rainbow colors when you do that, or can you do that with just yellow?
That's literally the setting on it.
So like if you press yellow right now or something?
It'll just put it to a solid for.
Okay. It'd be cool if you could do that with just like one color, like white, just going around. So there's like what, like 100 different settings or something, 1,000 different. So probably, I mean.
This one has 120 different settings.
Okay.
120.
Awesome. But then you could turn up the brightness on everything.
Yeah.
And you could have them solid. You could have them. Okay.
All that, but I have mine like set. Like you can hit your favorites.
Yeah.
And you can always like hold the heart down and see what your favorites are.
Okay.
And then go from there.
Good stuff.
Like these are all my.
The red, white, and blue one's cool too.
The red, white, and blue.
Yeah, you were just on it a second ago. There you go.
Well, you know what they say.
What do they say?
Red, white, and blue is freedom until it's behind you.
Good stuff, man.
Yeah.
All right, drive safe. Don't get pulled over. Only pull people over.
Pull who over?
Anybody you want, I guess. All right, good stuff.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man. I'm excited to do it to the NSX and the trailer and the other thing I have that I'm not disclosing yet. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And stay tuned for more videos coming shortly. I try to release one every week. Thanks.